Remember that a logarithm, you don't have to write this down, is just simply another way of writing an exponential. So basically the way to solve a log, more or less, at least for me, is to turn it into an exponential equation, which we've already done as well. So let's do an example here. We have evaluate log base 3 of 81. So what you're going to do is, so first of all, what are we trying to find? We're trying to find an exponent. So normally what I do with each log is I just set it equal to x, okay? Because x is a number we're trying to find. You can use any letter you want, but obviously a lot of times we just use the letter x for an unknown variable. And so once you set it equal to x, you can convert it back to an exponential. 3 is your base, x is your exponent that you're trying to find, 81 is your result. So right off the bat, just convert it to an exponential expression. And then pretty much from there, it's just doing what we did before, where we find a common base. So what would be the common base between 3 and 81? 3. And how would you rewrite 81 in terms of base 3? 3 to the 4 power. Okay. So there's that. So on the left, you're going to have 3 to the x. On the right, you have equals 3 to the 4th, because 3 to the 4th is 81. And then pretty much it's solved now, because you can set the exponents equal to each other since the bases are the same. X equals 4. So all we've really done is shown that log base 3 of 81 equals 4. Again, a log is just solving for an unknown exponent. So basically, the exponent that you use to get from 3 to 81 is 4.